Hello and welcome to Happy Dish. My name is Dana and today I have for you this amazing recipe for ribs baked in the oven with this glaze that I actually created by playing with ingredients. So first I wash the ribs and I remove the membrane, helping me with a napkin. Remove that because the ribs are going to keep the shape and they are going to be even tender. After that, sprinkle some salt over them and boil them in a pot with a few celery stalks, a few bay leaves, and add some water to cover them and boil them for about 30 minutes. Separately, let's create the sauce. 1 onion chopped finely, a few cloves of garlic, 3 or 4 cloves of garlic, chop them up finely as well, or you can use a garlic press to make them like a paste, even better, but I didn't have at that time, so I just chopped the garlic with a knife. I have this awesome hot pepper paste in my fridge and I really like it, so I'm going to add half a teaspoon of this one. Remember, this sauce is created by eye, so there is no mistake that you can do here. Just add ingredients, just add spices. Your eyes are going to tell you what to do. A cube of beef bouillon. It will give saltiness to the sauce, so don't add more salt. I added a few tablespoons of ketchup, 3 or 4 tablespoons of ketchup. I will add a few teaspoons of soy sauce. So this one no more salt because this one is salty. A few teaspoons of Worcester sauce as well. And I really like this sweet soy sauce that I'm going to show you right now. It's very thick and it's going to transform this sauce in a glaze. So try to find that sweet soy sauce and add a few teaspoons of that as well. Next, sugar. I'm adding here half a cup of brown sugar. So here's the sweetness again for the sauce. And I added some wine. You can add white or red. I added red wine, like half a cup of that. Chili powder, smoked paprika, sweet paprika, and some cumin powder, a teaspoon for each. Mix the sauce, and once again I'm going to add something that is going to make it sweet, and this ingredient is apple juice. So add that in there and boil the sauce on the stove for 15 minutes. Remove the ribs from the pot and place them in a tray, because you will have to bake them in the oven, in the preheated oven, 350 Fahrenheit or 180 Celsius for about 40 minutes. So I arrange them. I have a few pork belly strips there, and I boil those as well. And I'm adding the boiled sauce over the ribs, and I'm going to put them in the oven. After a half an hour, if you see that the sauce has evaporated, you can add in the tray like a cup of water is going to be enough, and bake more the ribs. After baking, you should let them cool down for a few minutes, and you can serve them with baked potatoes, with fried potatoes, with a salad, with whatever you want. But they are delicious, and I really recommend you to prepare them. Easy, simple, they are super tender, they will melt in your mouth, and you just have to have friends and family with them. You're going to share them, and you're going to have an amazing meal. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you here next time to another recipe. Bye.